So guys, just come on here, some girl here. Awesome girls right here. So we got she died on channel Lady Bark. We banned her.
No.
I'm just kidding. So we have our Fidget spinners here, and you can do tricks with them. See, this is my first trick, and you can do like this.
Don't do that game.
And you can do it with your knee. So these Fidget spinners help you
Say that awesome girl is doing her homework. Say that awesome cousin is doing her homework.
and these help you be calm. If you want to be cool and impress girls, you can do it like this. Do it with your middle finger, your ring finger, and then. But sometimes people do like this. And awesome cousin's not doing your homework.
Huh?
That's fake homework.
No, it's not.
So if you want to impress girls, you can do it like this. I like to do it like this.
Amanda, you're bothering me.
I didn't want my middle finger. I didn't want my middle finger. I didn't want my middle finger. God.
I already told you.
You don't.
Yes, I do.
I didn't want my pinky finger. So peace out. Beebly bop. I'll do it after TV. And
Wait.
so these are Fidget spinners. I need one Fidget spinner. See, that's Fidget spinners. We need to buy awesome cousin.
My mom is gonna buy me one. Oh, I can tell you that Xavier doesn't listen.
She doesn't listen at all. My mom always finishes her. I bought that from school anyway. Sorry.
Xavier always gets in trouble at school.
No, I don't. You don't even know.
I go to your school,
You're not in my class.
but I saw your class. I saw your picture outside the door. And your teacher told me that you always get in trouble.
No. I always do my homework. I always do my homework.
And you got detention for not doing your homework.
Don't touch anything in the kitchen anymore. You hear me?
Okay.
Oh.
So have a Fidget day.
Amazing.
I'm just kidding. Have an awesome day. Bleh.